Hello, myself Dr. Veena Kalyan, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Physiotherapy Department. Welcome to our YouTube channel RPIT Academics. If you like the content of this channel, please do not forget to subscribe and share the content. So in this presentation, we talk about the artery and the various types of arteries present in the body. So arteries carry blood away from the heart, and arteries are made up of thick muscle and elastic fibers, in which the thick muscle can contract to push the blood along, and the elastic fibers allow the artery to stretch under pressure. This figure shows the arteries of upper limb, arteries of lower limb, and arteries of the head and trunk. This figure shows the arterial supply of the upper limb. This diagram shows the arterial supply of the lower limb in anterior and posterior. This figure shows the artery, vein and nerve of the upper limb. Now the structure of the artery. The artery have three layers, during which external layer is tunica external, which have some elastic fibers and collagen fibers. Next layer is tunica media, which have elastic fibers, collagen fibers and smooth muscle. And the last layer is tunica intima, which have both collagen fibers and smooth muscle. And the last is lumen, narrow compared to the vein. Next are the types of arteries. Elastic, large and conducting arteries are aorta, pulmonary trunk, etc. Muscular, distributing or medium-sized arteries in examples are branch of femoral, brachial, popliteal, axillary carotid arteries. And arterioles, example is meta-arterioles. So first are elastic arteries. These are the largest arteries of diameter about 2.5 cm to 1 cm, and also called as conducting arteries. These arteries have high elastin content, dampens surge of blood pressure. Next is muscular or distributing arteries. These lie distal to elastic arteries, and its diameter ranges from 1 cm to 0.3 mm. And in these arteries, tunica media is thick, and they have a unique feature, that is internal and external elastic laminae. Next type of artery is arterioles. These are the smallest arteries, and diameter ranges from 0.3 mm to 10 micrometer. And larger artery possesses all three tunicas. And diameter of arterioles controlled by the local factors in the tissue and sympathetic nervous system. Thank you.